Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing another Minecraft video, and you might be wondering why did I do this little structure in this clay patch. Now I'll tell you in a second. So what I'm going to be, but let me explain to you what I'm doing first. So I'm going to be proving that the clay diamond trick is actually real. So I tried it out. I got into a circular patch. It doesn't have to be like this. It could be like this, but for me, I just use this. And also, if this doesn't work, that just means you're one of the 15% of people who were lucky to not find it, I guess. So yeah, there's an 85% chance that this will work. So that's an easy way to get diamonds. And now it depends on how much blocks you have to do. So here I did 2 blocks. Sorry, I didn't mean to go down. So here we have 2 blocks. 2 blocks here, and so we dig down right here. And it's 2 blocks because my biome is a normal lake biome. Sorry, Maya does some weird tiny little shapes there. So yeah, I guess we'll be finding diamonds here. So I dug down all the way to bedrock, but didn't find any diamonds. So what I did, guys, I as you can see here, there are diamonds. It wasn't exactly here, but I dug all the way down to near to bedrock even, and then I I was too lazy to dig, so I just used creative mode just to see if it works. So as you can see here, if you, it's not like right next to you. I guess you have to look for it, but it will be close. So as you can see, there are diamonds here. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, and hope you enjoyed. Bye now.